8 creepy things found in Google Maps. The Elmira crime scene. In April 2013, a photo was found on Google Maps. It showed a lake near Elmira, Netherlands. The picture looked like a bloody body being dragged across the pier into the water. People got so scared that they called the police. It turned out the photo was taken 1 to 3 years ago, so the police couldn't investigate much. When they looked at the photo closely, they saw that it was just a man and his dog climbing out of the water, making a wet trail on the pier. For a while, people thought they saw a murder. If you zoom in, you can see the man and his dog, which makes the photo less scary. Blood Lake. This strange-looking lake was found on Google in 2007. It's near Sadr City, Iraq. People have a few ideas about why the lake is blood red. Some think it's because a nearby slaughterhouse dumps blood into the lake. Others think the color comes from sewage pollution and water treatment processes. Since the photo was discovered, the lake has turned back to a normal color. Probably, once the photo went viral, whatever was making the water red was stopped. The Richmond crime scene. This image appeared on Google Maps in 2009. Although the coordinates are no longer accessible, the picture was captured along the railroad tracks at Sanford Avenue in Richmond, California. It shows a victim lying on the ground with several officers nearby. The victim was a 14-year-old boy named Kevin Barrera, and, unfortunately, his assassination remains unsolved. After the image went viral, Google removed it out of respect for Kevin's family. Google executives felt that the grieving family didn't need a constant reminder of their son's demise. Sadly, no photos were taken during the actual crime, which might have helped identify the killer. The Badlands Guardian. This was first found on Google Maps in 2006 near Medicine Hat, Alberta, Canada. The shape was made by erosion, not by people. It looks a few hundred years old. If you look closely, it seems like the Guardian is wearing earbuds. This is because they built a road there, leading to an oil well. It's pretty amazing and a bit creepy, considering it wasn't made by humans. The face of Jesus. This photo was discovered on Google Maps in Hungary. At first glance, it's a simple aerial view of the landscape. But if you look closely, you can see the face of Jesus Christ. It's quite amazing, and religious enthusiasts around the world believe it's a sign of his resurrection. Since this photo surfaced, more and more people are visiting the area, considering it a holy land. The Random Bunny. This image was found on Google Maps in Piedmont, Italy. It shows a 200-ton knitted rabbit lying on the ground. The identity of who placed this massive bunny there remains unknown. It makes for a fascinating photo and an intriguing mystery. The Swastika Navy Base. When you drive around the U.S. Navy base in California, it seems like a regular base. However, from an aerial view on Google Maps, it resembles a swastika. This appearance is due to the arrangement of the buildings. Fortunately, you can't see it from the ground. According to the U.S. Navy, the shape is purely coincidental and not intended to be anti-Semitic. Crabzilla. This photo was taken at the mouth of Kent Harbour in the UK. The photo looks just like a gigantic crab right off the harbour. If there were actually a crab this big, it could change the way you look at crabs forever. Chances are this isn't a real crab, it could just be the way that the sand moved with the wind and the water.